Presenting Boat airdope's 141 True Wireless Earbuds. It is available in white purity, cyan cider and active black colors. These earbuds come with user manual, warranty card, additional earbuds and charging cable. The product dimensions are 5x5x2 centimeters and it weighs 60 grams. These true wireless earbuds are equipped with Insta Wake and Pair technology that powers on the earbuds as soon as the case cover is opened. Boat airdope's 141 comes with IPX4 rating, making it water and sweat resistant. These earbuds offer the Boat immersive audio experience. Boat airdope's 141 comes with Bluetooth V5.0 technology, allowing for pairing with a host of devices. Boat airdope's 141 offers a playback time of up to 42 hours, including 6 hours non-stop playtime for earbuds. They also come with fast charge feature that offers up to 75 minutes of playtime in just 5 minutes of charge. Additionally, the carry case comes with Type-C interface for charging. These earbuds come with microphone and feature a one-touch voice assistant for ease of use. These earbuds are equipped with quick touch control.